Hi there. In this presentation, I will be discussing the 9 elements of digital citizenship. First, I will begin by defining digital citizenship. Digital citizenship is commonly known as the continuously developing norms of appropriate, responsible, and empowered technology use, and efforts to lead and assist others in positive digital experiences and to recognize that actions and consequences can affect others. There are 9 elements to digital citizenship that outline these principles. First, I will begin with principle number 1, digital access. What is digital access? An individual's opportunity to make use of both internet and various electronic information and communication systems. The use of the internet increases our ability to communicate, work, and learn while also gaining access to information. We as citizens need to investigate ways to make digital access available to everyone. Principle number 2 is digital commerce. What is digital commerce? It's buying and selling of products and or services on the website, social media, and other mediums. Some examples is never give out personal information on unsecured websites. Think before you buy. There could be hidden costs. Make sure the website is safe from hackers and abide by agreements from the company you purchase from. We need to keep safe when buying and selling online. Use a good anti-malware program to protect your computer from viruses. Optimize your computer's security settings to keep the browser and operating system up to date. And make sure the order checkout area is secure with a lockdown padlock located on the website. And print and save your receipts of online orders. And always check your statement often. Principle number 3 is digital communication. What is digital communication? It involves online communication efforts through social media, websites, mobile chats, blogs that are used to connect with current and future customers, employees, and other stakeholders. In order to have digital communication, you must have the 21st century skills that are required, which are flexibility, commitment to lifelong learning, a passion for storytelling, curiosity, and empathy. Principle number 4 is digital literacy. What is digital literacy? Our workplaces, social lives, and educational settings all require some form of competence, knowing how to use technology, navigation, communication, and digital environments. Principle number 5, digital etiquette. What is digital etiquette? It's integrity, sense of self-management, and general responsibility for your actions while on the internet and treating people like you would want to be treated in real life. Some examples: put your device down when someone is speaking to you. Put your device away at the dinner table, church, family functions, and when socializing. Silence your device at school and when with your family. Remember these simple rules when participating in an online discussion, sending an email, or texting. Keep it short and simple. Use proper capitalizations. Never use all caps that represent shouting. Proofread before you post. Ask parents and students for permission before you post information or pictures. And remember the golden rule: treat others the way you would like to be treated. Principle number 6, digital law. What is digital law? Electronic responsibility for actions and deeds. In other words, it is what you are and are not allowed to do while surfing the internet. Some examples of ethical usage is properly citing your sources, respecting others, reading and abiding the terms of use for references, files, and applications that you are using. Some unethical usage is hacking, pirating software, downloading music illegally, and plagiarizing. Principle number 7, digital rights and responsibility. What does digital rights and responsibilities entail? Having the right to use any digital technologies in a professional manner. Digital citizenships have the right to privacy and free speech. Basic digital rights must be addressed, discussed, and understood in the digital world. These rights comes with lots of responsibilities. Some examples: inappropriate digital rights and responsibilities is downloading and swapping files such as music, illegally, copying materials without giving credit to the author, and students violating school policies because they view them as unfair. Some appropriate digital rights and responsibilities is paying for music that is downloaded into your iPod or computer. Students have some copyright protection, as everyone else does. And you must explain to students the reasons why school and district policies technologies exist. Principle number 8 is, what is digital health and wellness? Digital health and wellness is physical and psychological well-being in a digital technology world that applies to everyone. The key to digital health and wellness is balance, an online environment, and in real life. Physical issues associated with improper use of technologies is eye strain, stress, and poor posture. These issues happen when computers are positioned too high or too low for the user. Suggested ways to prevent injury is to use correct posture, make sure the computer you are working at is positioned correctly, and avoid repetitive motions and take breaks regularly. And principle number 9 is digital security. What is digital security? Various ways of protecting computers, internet accounts, and files from intrusion by an outside user. The importance of password protection is passwords provide the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your computer and personal information. And the stronger your password is, the more protected your computer will be from hackers and malicious software. And maintain strong passwords for all your accounts on your computer. And that is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. These are my references. Thank you.